zone. So as a continuous follower of our presentation, you may note that for the last few days we are targeting this 206, and we expected that this is a potential trend deciding zone unless until the price breaks this zone and put some strong price action above this. We expected the price to continue its downtrend. On the previous day, we may notice that after the price opening, the market clearly broke this zone and it came down and closed lower. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday it's just a bit of high opening. So you would have seen the LTP staying somewhere around 202 on 10 o'clock. So there was a very long consolidation. Here you can see it is a very long consolidation we had. So the price tried to take some resistance around 202, but what happened is that after that the price took a clear support around 202 and the price went up and tested till for 204.5 or nearly that zone, 4.8. So since it is staying above the average, since there was it was well resisted by the moving average, which we are following that. So that provided a clear resistance and the price pushed the price was pushed down till near, more or less near the previous day's low, 199.4. So now yesterday the price was pushed approximately till 199.6. But the important fact is that after testing the previous low, you can see the level of bounce back it had. Completely the market tried to test it and almost more than 50% was tested. So this is a major fact which we should note it. And then the price consolidated and closed around 202, more or less near that. Okay, so this is the price action we had. We can conclude saying that the price stayed in line with the trend. You can see the price was resisted. It found a clear resistance around 206. We had explained very clearly why we are targeting this 206. If you have any doubt, you can go back and see our previous presentations. In order to get a clear view, let us go back and see the international prices. So this is the NYMEX price, the same 1 hour chart, and the price and time along x-axis and price quoted in date and time along x-axis and price quoted along y-axis. So this is the price action we had. We had drawn 3 lines. You all know that 3.72, very major support. You can see this area, and everywhere the market tried to take some momentum with 3.72. So really it's trying some bias or here. So they try to push the price higher, but we cannot neglect the fact that 3.76, this is the intermediate zone that is resisting. Yesterday on the previous day, that is on 30th, you can see that the price breaking this came down and there was a consolidation. This was the case that happened on the previous day. Yesterday what happened, after the price opening, the market slowly went up and took some support with 3.72. So that created the great momentum for the price to move up. So that is the reason why the price went up and tested more or less near 204.8 in MCX. Since we are 3.76 is acting as a potential resistance, so that resisted the price from moving up. That also was supported by the average that pushed the price down, and there was a very long consolidation. You can see this, the price testing this zone, which marks 199.6. that was a low that was created on yesterday. So after creating a low, the price just gave a complete bounce back. So these are the interesting facts which we should note, because on the previous day here you can see after breaking this 3.72 also there is a bounce back. After breaking this zone there was a bounce back. So what exactly happened is that yesterday the market took some support here, but after the price closing in MCX, let me increase the scale so that you will get a very clear idea. After the price closing in MCX, this is the zone which we are talking about. After the price closing, the price came down and it is now trading in this zone, which means that we can expect that natural gas to open lower. So around what zone? Around 202 probably. The price is expected to open more or less around 200 zones. So it closed around 202. Price is expected to open near the low, just because of simple reason that the price was trading near the low in the international prices. There may be some changes based upon the currency value. We should look after where the rupee is trading. So if the rupee supports us, you can get a clear drop momentum also. So the trend is down. The most important fact is today we have natural gas inventory report also. So unless until we see this 3.72 very near, we cannot relax, natural gas traders. So this, we want to have a clear price action. We need to break all these zones so that we can put some strong price action below this. The expected target in international price is 3.62. So we can expect the price to come. Let us see where the 3.62 is staying, just below this zone. So price should come till 3.62 if the price is staying in line with the trend. Since we have inventory report also, please, we advise clients to play with stop loss. Always you don't trade without stop loss, since we had identified a possible trend reversal zone. So make use of it and stay with the trend. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. In terms of MCX, the target is going to be 196 if the trend continues, and you can also expect 192. So all depends upon what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.